According to Newton's second law of motion, force is equal to d by dt of momentum, or we can write roughly as change in momentum upon change in time. This change in time, this change is for what we can say that it is small change in time. So here one quantity change in momentum can be written as force into change in time. So this concept, this product is known as impulse. So, and it gives rise called change in momentum. So impulse actually it is a large force which is acting for small amount of time. So that large force acting for small amount of time gives rise a called impulse, and due to that impulse there is a large or measurable change in the momentum. Now in real life how it can be experienced. Suppose there is a wall and wall is thrown with velocity v1. So with the velocity v1 it is going to hit the wall, but therefore for the small amount of time some force will act on the wall as well as on the ball, and then ball will rebound back, but at this time the velocity will change its direction. So the force which exists there at the time of contact between ball and wall is actually the impulsive force which is acting for very small amount of time, and due to that impulsive force which is acting on both on the ball as well as on the wall, the ball will move in the opposite direction and maybe with the same velocity with which it is hit it, but direction will be changed. So in this case, in this particular case, the impulse force or change in momentum here, or we can write the impulse as change in momentum here, will be mv2 minus mv1, where v2 here is opposite to v1, so it is minus mv1 minus mv1, that is equal to minus twice mv1. The meaning is that the impulse gives rise to a large change in momentum. I hope the concept of impulse is clear to you all. The significance of impulse is that one definition is force into time, but the important definition for us, the impulse gives rise to large change in momentum.